Hi there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam. In this video, we're going to talk about hole tool inside PTC Creo Parametric. Specifically, we're going to see sketched hole, which is one of the latest edition of hole variant inside PTC Creo Parametric, which lets you create hole with ease. So creating hole inside PTC Creo Parametric was not that easy as after addition of this sketched hole. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Okay, so here we can see we already have open PTC Creo Parametric. Now let's go here in engineering tab and let's click on hole. Now from here, I would like to go with sketched. Okay, now let's click here on define. And now I'm gonna make this sketch. So let's plot this sketch. And again, there is no such mandate that sketch needs to be closed. Now let's click OK. And there we go, guys. Here we can see we have placed hole wherever there is endpoint. So if I uncheck this, you can see that all hole now got vanished. So based on our need, we can define where exactly we want hole. Let's say you do not want these holes to be placed in endpoint. You can choose midpoint. And then in this way, guys, we can quickly create hole. You can also, create sketch and can add point, and then, you can define a hole at these points. You have all these three types of option, which is adding hole at midpoint, end point, or by creating point by ourselves. So this is really easy, guys, and one of very interesting way to create multiple hole together. I hope, guys, you find this video helpful, informational. Please try to do it by yourself. Do let us know if you face any problem or issue. That's all, guys, from my side in this video. If you find this video helpful, informational, do like and subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow complete PTC Creo Parametric series. And I'm gonna catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.